All right, here's example 2. I should have changed that for arc length. So we want to find the arc length of ln of cosine x on this interval. As always, pause the video, try it out first. All right, so my function is ln of cosine x. I got to find the derivative of it. That's going to be the derivative of ln something is 1 over that. And I got to multiply by the derivative of cosine, which is negative sine. I should write that better. Times negative sine x. So I'll just write that cleaner as negative sine x over cosine x. And I can actually just write that as tan. So that's negative tan x. And I'll just plug this into my integral, my formula. So my length is the integral. I start at 0, end at pi over 4, of the square root of 1 plus, here's my derivative, negative tan x all squared. Careful with your algebra, you got to square that negative sign. And I get 1 plus tan x squared. That's secant squared. And so secant squared, I can take the square root and just leave me with secant. And this is one of the table integrals. We should get ln, absolute value, secant x plus tangent x, plus c. Sorry, not plus c. I don't know why I'm doing that. We got to plug in our bounds, though. This is ln of, plug in pi over 4. I won't do the trig just yet. I'll just plug in the numbers. Minus ln secant of 0 plus tangent of 0. And now I know secant is 1 over cosine. So cosine of pi over 4 is 1 over root 2. And tangent pi over 4 is sine over cosine. Sine is 1 over root 2. Cosine is 1 over root 2. And I get 1. So let's just plug it in. Ln of 1 over cosine is secant, so it's 1 over this. That's just root 2. Tan pi over 4 is 1. Minus ln of secant of 0 is just 1 over cosine of 0. 0 is on the x-axis, so it's the x-coordinate of that point, because it's cosine. And the x-coordinate of that point is 1. So I get 1 plus, and then tan 0 is sine over cosine, which is 0 over 1, which is 0. Now I've got just 1 plus 0. I'll just leave that as 1. Ln of 1 is 0, because e to the 0 gives me back to 1. So I got 0. I just took it away. And I get ln square root of 2 plus 1. And that's the answer. Hope that helped.